Good morning children. Today in this video we are going to learn about comparison of numbers. Comparison of number is used to compare given two numbers. By using comparison we can find out which number is larger and which one is the smaller one. First, number with more number of digits is a larger number. The number which contains the more number of digits. என்ன நம்பர்ல எத்தனை நிறைய digits இருக்கோ அதுதான் larger number. Next, the number with less number of digits is a smaller number. The number which contains a less number of digits. If the number contains only 2 or 3 digits, then that number is called as a smaller number. And we use different symbol to compare any two numbers. They are greater than, less than and equal to. Now we are going to learn in detail about these symbols. First one, greater than symbol. See here this symbol. It is called as a crocodile mouth. When the crocodile mouth is open in a left hand side, then the symbol is called as a greater than symbol. See children, there is a one small logic. Crocodile always want to eat the big number. In which side we are having the big number, the crocodile mouth will open that side and the crocodile mouth is closed in a small number side. For example, here we have two numbers. One is 2575, another one is 465. To compare these two numbers, first we have to find out which number is larger and which one is smaller. As we learn now, the number which contains the more number of digits, that is larger one. The number with less number of digits is a smaller one. Now find out how many digits in this number ma? In left hand side we have 4 digits and in right hand side we have 3 digits. So which one is bigger ma? 4 is more than 3. So we have to use the greater than symbol because crocodile mouth is always open for bigger number. If the left hand side number is more than right hand side, then we are using greater than symbol. And it is also read as 2575 is greater than 465. Second symbol is less than symbol. When the crocodile mouth is opened in a right hand side and closed in a left hand side, then the symbol is called as a less than symbol. The crocodile always want to eat bigger value. For example, here I was taken again two more numbers. Here first number is 756 and the second number is 4567. First find out the number of digits ma. In left hand side we have 3 digits, in right hand side we have 4 digits. Here which one is bigger, 3 or 4? 4 is bigger. The crocodile always want to eat the bigger one. So the crocodile mouth is open in right hand side. So this symbol is called as a less than and it is read as 756 is less than 4567. If the two numbers was having same number of digits. For example, the number in a left hand side having 4 digits, the number in right side also having 4 digits. So here both the numbers was having the same digit. In this situation what we have to do means we have to compare higher order, that is ones, tens, hundreds, thousand. So we have to go to higher order. Higher order mean in thousand place. See children, here in thousand place both the sides the number was same. In left side also 5 and in right side also we have the same. If the higher order also same, then we have to go to next higher order. In next higher order, left hand side having 4 and right hand side also having 4. So we can't compare these two places. Then what we have to do? If the two numbers was having the same number of digits and having the same higher orders, then we have to go to next order. Next order is tens place. Left hand side we have 6 tens and in right hand side we have 5 tens. Now compare 6 tens is more or 5 tens is more. As we know 6 tens is more than 5 tens. Then we can conclude 5467 is more than 5451. Now next symbol is equal to. Equal to symbol means in this symbol the crocodile mouth should be closed. And if the two numbers are equal, the crocodile doesn't know to go which side, because crocodile is always going to bigger side only, so it will be stay in a middle. For example, here I was taken two numbers 2345 and 2345. See children, here in both the sides we are having the 4-digit number and all the digits were same in both the sides. So we have to keep equal to symbol. If the both the numbers were same, then we are using this equal to symbol.
Thank you for watching, friends. Hope you liked the video. Please like, share and subscribe for my channel.